cross stitch I'm still making for my mom. These are the long strips that go on the mba, and it's for Nilu Chaw. I think that's what I'm supposed to call it. It's very, very long, and I still got the two Chaw to make, and then I should be finished with it. But this is one of the designs. Let's get a clearer look. Yeah, there you go. And they're just two different colors: the green on the inside, the red on the outside, and then this one's just opposite. Everything in the middle and are the same designed, same color, and then just the outside is just whatever's the color on the inside. And it took me about 6 months now to make this, and hopefully I'll be done soon. But if you guys are planning to make ilu choto for any adult, make sure that it's not yo soya. Make sure that they're just ntaub, which you will find at the Hmong store. That's in like yarn type of saw instead of the nice silky one.